Phil K here with RollingBarge.com. Today we're going to talk about fasteners. Question comes up a lot. How do we keep our bolts tight? How do you know that over time you're not going to loosen up on you? And there's a couple things that we do. First off, we're using aluminum fasteners. Here we've got aluminum bolt nut and lock washer. These bolts are 2024 aluminum bolts. They've been anodized for corrosion resistance. We're going to put these together with an anodized lock washer and a nut, and we are going to put blue Loctite on the threads before we start. Believe it or not, it's not so much to keep the bolt tight as it is to lubricate it when you put it together so you can be sure and torque it properly. We're going to give you torque specifications, and you'll go ahead and torque these down to 40, 50, 60 pounds, whatever the spec says for the size bolt that you're using. And once you put that together, those will be locked together and you will not have issues with those bolts coming loose.